Both houses of Maharashtra legislature adjourned as opposition stalled proceedings over demands of complete loan waiver for distressed farmers in state. And Digital Mela organized in Kolhapur district to promote awareness about digital economy. Thank you, Mark. Hi and welcome to METROSCAN from Mumbai. I'm Shama Mishra. Let's see the news in detail. The demand of a complete loan waiver for distressed farmers in the state was aggressively raised by the opposition parties in the Maharashtra Assembly today, forcing adjournment of both the houses for the day. Leader of opposition Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil raised the loan waiver issue soon after the House assembled in the morning. Subsequently, protesting Shiv Sena legislators trooped into the well of the House along with opposition Congress and NCP to press for the loan waiver. Amid uproar, as Speaker Haribhau Bagre adjourned the House for 45 minutes. When the House reassembled, opposition resumed the protest, forcing the House to be adjourned for the day. Meanwhile, in the State Legislative Council, Dhananjay Munde coined the slogan against the government and demanded quick loan waiving for distressed farmers. Later, the opposition, along with Shiv Sena legislator, got aggressive over farmers' woes. On the other hand, State Revenue Minister Chandrakant Patil termed the demand as arbitrary and said that due procedures must be followed in this regard and no decision can be taken until a high-level meeting is to be chaired by the Chief Minister. With an aim to create awareness and promote digital payment and cashless economy through the use of digital mode of transactions, Digital Mela was today organized in Kolhapur district. A day-long event witnessed the presence of Union Minister Subhash Bhamre and Maharashtra Minister of State for Agriculture Sadabhau Khote. Speaking on the occasion, Sadabhau Khote said that the society is largely receptive of digital economy and it should be expanded into a movement where every single transaction is done in a cashless manner. 4 villages which had totally adopted cashless mode were also felicitated. A lucky draw was conducted where prizes were distributed to those who participated in the cashless activity. This initiative will inculcate a digital payment habit among rural people. State Bank of India Chairman Arundhati Bhattacharya today said that farm loan waiver schemes may disrupt credit discipline among borrowers. She said that in case of a farm loan waiver, there is always a fall in credit discipline because the people who get the waiver have expectations of future waivers as well, as such future loans given often remain unpaid. Bhattacharya was speaking on the sidelines of a Confederation of Indian Industry event. Bhattacharya said that though it is important to support farmers, but it has to be done in a way which does not disrupt credit discipline among them. The country's largest lender had recently announced a one-time settlement scheme worth 6,000 crore rupees in the tractor segment to speed up its recovery. The bank had also announced such OTS schemes in education and SME segments. She said the recovery due to OTS schemes in these segments have been fairly good. Indian Medical Association today protested and condemned the attack on a doctor in Dhule Civil Hospital who was beaten up by a patient's relatives on Sunday night. The doctors, while protesting, demanded adequate security to be provided to them and stringent actions need to be taken against the culprits involved in such cases. The relatives were angry over the alleged delay in the treatment of the patient. Dr. Roshan Mamunkar had suffered major injuries and is being treated in the hospital. India is experiencing an exceptional rise in the number of cases of breast cancer across all sections of the society. POC Medical Systems today unveiled a rapid portable breast cancer screening test, Mammo Alert, a disruptive pre-screening test for early breast cancer detection in Mumbai. This portable technology uses a single drop of blood to generate results in 15 minutes. The device, launched by Amrita Pharnavis, wife of Chief Minister, and State Housing Minister Prakash Mehta, is affordable, rapid and efficient, which gives accurate results. POC Medical System will be available at hospitals in India from July at an affordable price. Speaking at the event, State Health Minister Deepak Sawant said that the government will undertake pilot project for some areas, after which this tool will be introduced in the hospitals as well.
Checking out your blood sugar, such kind of the facilities available all over the state. I will be happy to introduce in my hospitals also after doing the pilot project and finding out the errors in the method.
With growing concerns in women regarding breast cancer, Amrita Pharnavis urged every woman to go through regular checkups as well as screening should be done every year in order to keep a check on the deadly disease.
काम कर रही है, आगे बढ़ रही है, पर कहीं तो अपने हेल्थ पे ध्यान दे नहीं रही। तो उसके लिए जैसे ब्रेस्ट कैंसर जैसी जो डिजीजेज है, ये अगर आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो गई तो आपकी ज़िंदगी तो ख़राब होती है, बट आपकी पूरी फैमिली उथल पुथल हो जाती है, उनकी लाइफ। तो उसके लिए आपको सिर्फ एक ही करना है कि साल में एक बार आपको स्क्रीनिंग करना है और सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन करते रहना है। और ऐसे जो सिस्टम्स आ रहे हैं जिनमें 97% एक्यूरेसी है, ब्लड टेस्ट के द्वारा खुद को चेक कराना है और मैक्सिमम डिजीज से आप विथ दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रिवेंशन दूर रहेंगे।
With the need to improve skills and generate employment, the Pollux Life Science Solutions recently launched the Life Science Sector Skills Development Council under the National Skill Development Council in Mumbai. The council will contribute in the areas of skill development for the pharmaceutical industry and will initially train and empower 5,000 personnel across pharmaceuticals clusters in Maharashtra. They will develop roles in production, quality control, quality assurance, chemists and medical sales representatives, drug regulatory affairs and clinical research. Keeping in mind the increasing number of rail accidents, the Central Railway recently unveiled India's first air-conditioned rail ambulance that is designed to rush for the relief of injured passengers during the vital golden hour after a rail disaster. The 4-coached rail ambulance is equipped with several medical facilities that can provide basic facilities to at least 50 people at a time and is suited for transporting accident victims to hospital in a short time. The coaches are aesthetically designed and houses an emergency treatment to accident victims. Railway officials said that the ambulance will prove helpful to for transporting organs from one state to another for transplants. That's it then, this edition of METROSCAN from Mumbai. We'll be back tomorrow evening with more updates for the commercial capital. Thank you. Namaskar.
Well, thanks very much, Shama. And that's it then on METROSCAN for today. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.